This is an ad for Moose Toys. I know! Squeaky the balloon dog. A balloon dog? Hello, I can no longer take care of my sweet Squeaky. Aww. I hope that he finds a loving home with you. Squeaky is like no other dog you ever met before. He's one of a kind. Part dog, part balloon. What? Thank you, Anonymous. What does Anonymous mean, Sekora? It means whoever wrote this is unknown. Does that mean we can keep Squeaky the balloon dog? Oh no, Mommy and Daddy don't like pets in the house. What are we gonna do with him, Sekora? We can't leave him out here. Let's just bring him to our room and figure this out later. Great idea, Sekora, but Mommy and Daddy are in the living room. Okay, so we're gonna have to be really sneaky.
You wanna watch Big?
How about we watch One Planet?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Ew.
I didn't think we would make it, Safari. Well, we made it. Let's take a look at this guy. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Let's see what he can do. Sekora, how are you gonna feed Squeaky? Maybe one of these. Oh my goodness! Oh no!
Girls!
Yeah, Daddy?
What's that noise?
We're just playing with our toys. We're gonna have to train Squeaky, or we can't keep him a secret. Yeah, he's pretty noisy. Sit, Squeaky, sit. Hold on, Safari, let me try it with this. Sit, Squeaky. Yeah, good job, Squeaky.
I'm gonna go check to see what's going on.
Someone's coming. What do we do with Squeaky? What do we do? Here, take the phone. I'll get the bag. Hi, Tim. Come on. Put him. Shh. You've been a good boy. Stay there and be quiet, Squeaky. Shh. You say, nay, nay. Hi, Mommy.
Oh, hi. I was hearing some weird noises, but looks like everything's okay in here. They're just playing around.
Usual. Are you sure? I've never heard those noises before, so I'm gonna go sneak up on them. What is that? Is that a balloon dog? Girls?
Here.
Squeaky the balloon dog. When did you guys get this?
Someone left him on the doorstep. Daddy, can we please keep him? Daddy, he has a personality that will make you laugh. And Daddy, Squeaky wants to play with you.
Okay, girls. I'm okay with it, but you're gonna have to convince your mom.
Oh no, not Mommy. She doesn't like animals.
Well, girls, he's a one-of-a-kind dog. I don't see why she would say no.
Oh yeah, Daddy, that's true.
Okay, let's go try and convince her.
What?
Hey, before you freak out, just hear them out.
Okay, let me hear what you guys have to say.
Mommy, this is Squeaky. We found it on our doorstep. And we love him. We want to keep him. And we even trained him. Watch. Watch this, Mommy. He sits. Sit, Squeaky.
What?
Watch, Mommy. He shakes a paw. Shake a paw, Squeaky.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute!
Can we please keep Squeaky, please?
Okay, I guess if it's okay with your dad, it's okay with me because you guys have really shown me in like 5 minutes that you can really take care of Squeaky. I mean, you've showed him all these tricks already. So yes, you can keep Squeaky as long as you continue to take care of him.
Yay, we get to keep you, Squeaky! This was an ad for Moose Toys. Parents, you can pre-order Squeaky the Balloon Dog at Target.com, Walmart.com, and Amazon.